Hi, this is Kabiruddin, the English teacher of Wisdom Institute. I'm teaching you English language. For Bengali, I'm teaching English. For non-Bengali, I'm teaching Bengali. That means Bangla language. The English people say Bengali. Well, we have learned Unit 3, 4 models, Model 1, Model 2, Model 3, Model 4. From this model, what we have learned? We have learned communicative English. That is Model 1, statement sentence in affirmative form. Model 2, statement sentence in negative form. Model 3, question sentence, interrogative form. Model 4, question sentence, negative interrogative form. Why I have taught you to speak English with your partner and with yourself. When you don't get any partner, you have to speak yourself, because you have to practice English to learn English. Well, from Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, we have learned how to make a dialogue. Suppose speaker A and speaker B are talking about friends. Well, look, the dialogue, this is written in Bangla sentence. First of all, speaker A is talking to speaker B. Speaker A is saying, Ami ekjon ব্যবসায়ী ছিলাম. Ami ekjon ব্যবসায়ী ছিলাম. This is affirmative sentence from Model 1, and try to remember the structure of Model 1. Ami ekjon ব্যবসায়ী ছিলাম. I was a businessman. I was a businessman. Businessman. Ami ডাক্তার ছিলাম না. This is from Model 2, negative sentence. I was not a doctor. আমি একজন ডাক্তার ছিলাম না. I was not a doctor. তুমি কি একজন ব্যবসায়ী ছিলে? This is from Model 3, question sentence in interrogative form. Try to remember the structure. তুমি কি ছিলে? Why are you a businessman? Why are you a businessman? Now speaker B will answer. If he was a businessman, then he will say, yes, I was. This part of the sentence is formal answer. If only say he is yes, this is informal answer in positive form or affirmative form. Yes, I was a businessman. Then, if he is not a businessman, that means if he was not a businessman, then he will say, no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. This is formal negative answer, and informal is only no. No, I wasn't. I wasn't a businessman. I wasn't a businessman. Okay, now speaker A is saying again. Let's see what he is saying. He is saying about his friend that আমার বন্ধু একজন ডাক্তার ছিলেন. তিনি ছিলেন, he was. Instead of তিনি, I can see আমার বন্ধু. So আমার বন্ধু in English, আমার, my friend was a doctor. আমার বন্ধু ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন না. আমার বন্ধু ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন না. আমার বন্ধু ছিলেন না. My friend was not. My friend was not. Or my friend wasn't. My friend wasn't a businessman. আমার বন্ধু একজন ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন না। Now we can see তোমার বন্ধু কি ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন? তোমার বন্ধু কি ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন? This interrogative sentence, model 3, try to remember তিনি কি ছিলেন, was he? In here instead of তুমি, তোমার বন্ধু তুমি কি ছিলে, সে কি ছিল, was he instead of was he, তোমার বন্ধু। Was your friend a businessman? Was your friend a businessman? Now speaker B is giving answer of this question, was your friend a businessman? If his friend was a businessman, then he will say, yes, he was. My friend was a businessman. If his friend was not a businessman, then the answer will be in negative form. Then he will say, no, he was not. My friend wasn't a businessman. And finally, look, I'm writing the Bangla sentence here. Speaker A is asking, তোমার বন্ধু কি একজন ডাক্তার ছিলেন না? তোমার বন্ধু কি একজন ডাক্তার ছিলেন না? So, what is the English meaning of this sentence? Wasn't your friend a doctor? Wasn't your friend a doctor? Now, is speaker A has asked question to know about speaker B's friend. Speaker B must answer the question of speaker A. So let's learn how to answer affirmative and negative question, that is formal and informal answer. Okay. Speaker B is saying, yes, he was. My friend was a doctor. My friend was a doctor. If the answer is negative, then what will you say? He will say, no, he wasn't. My friend wasn't a doctor. Dear viewers or dear learners, look, after learning model 1, 2, 3 and 4 of unit 3, we have learned how to ask a question, how to answer a question in the affirmative form and negative form. That means communicative English we have learned. Okay, now listen and say, আমি একজন ব্যবসায়ী ছিলাম। I was a businessman. আমি ডাক্তার ছিলাম না। I was not a doctor. তুমি কি একজন ব্যবসায়ী ছিলে? Were you a businessman? আমার বন্ধু একজন ডাক্তার ছিলেন। My friend was a doctor. আমার বন্ধু ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন না। My friend was not a businessman. তোমার বন্ধু কি একজন ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন? Was your friend a businessman? তোমার বন্ধু কি একজন ডাক্তার ছিলেন না? Wasn't your friend a doctor? Yes, he was. My friend was a doctor. No, he wasn't. My friend wasn't a doctor. Dear viewers, if you want to learn English from the very basic level, please watch our channel and like, share and subscribe to get more notification from us. I'm Kaviruddin Ahmed Shaheen. I'm giving you guarantee that is you will be able to learn English, and you should not scare of learning English. You should not be shy. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.